So this is something I've been thinking about for a while now. Why don't people just make dovetail walls instead of French cleats? By essentially cutting an upside down French cleat, you add functionality without really taking anything away from what makes French cleats great. They're also easier to cut since you don't have to try and make one piece with a flat edge and an angled edge, and you just cut two angled edges on the same piece at the same width. Here you can see I've made a small shelf that fits into this dovetail, and it seems pretty sturdy. Now, I didn't put anything at the bottom of the dovetail because I don't think that would really add any kind of stability or anything like that. But you can see it just slides right out, and you can kind of see the arrangement of the dovetail as it's on the wall there. This essentially creates something akin to a slat wall. And in just a second, you'll see what I mean. Here you can see I've modified the shelf with a little 45-degree cut on the back and a little runner to go along the bottom just to kind of keep it stable. And I was actually pretty surprised at how well this works. Again, it's a lot like a slat wall where you can just kind of take something that you want to hang on it and tilt it and lock it in. I know this was John Heiss's problem with French cleat walls, where if you stand up and your head hits something and it just automatically falls off because there's nothing really keeping it on the wall. I actually plan to incorporate this idea into a piece of furniture in the future. This is just to illustrate that I know when people make French cleat walls, they usually space the cleats apart a little bit further. This idea still works. I've just got a little spacer here, just a little offcut that I use. But if you were to make a shelf where the whole back of it was that wide, it would work just like it did before. So yeah, turn your French cleats upside down.